Yeah, I want to tell you, if you might have taken so many conventional drugs on cough syrup, and then you have been taking it, no much um no much improvement, let me put it that way. I will rather recommend you go for herbs. Herbs, those spices I kept on telling people, is that in our kitchen, is in your kitchen, and is in my kitchen. One of them is this lemon. This is lemon. This is ginger. This is ginger. And there is garlic. Sorry, this is garlic. Can I have ginger, please? This is garlic. Watch what I'm showing you. I cannot be able to mix it for you, but make sure that you have honey, because in every cough syrup there always honey. Thank you very much, my dear. And this is garlic. This is ginger. This is this is this is ginger. Did you see it? And this is garlic. Did you see it? And this is turmeric. If you don't want to make use of this, we have it in the kitchen. What you have to do, I don't have it said, the little one I have, that's what I'm showing you. Get your onions, get your clove, get ginger and garlic, and get your lemon. Did you see it? Get your lemon. Wash it thoroughly. Slice it in cube. Get your container, clean container. Pack all these things inside. If you want to put turmeric, good and fine. If you want to put turmeric, good and fine. Then, lastly, your honey. Because honey smooths every ligament in the stomach. And it cleans. It's antibiotic. It's antioxidant. All these things. Then you keep it in the container, soak it for overnight. The next day, after meal, when we might have eaten, finish, a spoon in the morning, and before you go to bed, lastly, 1 spoon. You will know that there is power in nature. There is power in nature. That is why you don't have to play. Those garlic, ginger, lemon, turmeric, also rosemary, thyme, all those things. Don't play with it. They are very good for our overall well-being. Thank you. When you try it, you will give me a thumb up later. Thank you.